Bag one on the table, black frame in line. Chef hat ready and the build looks fine. Torso clicks down, little grin in place. Blue gloves working at a donut pace. Long black base with the studs and rows. Tan pin slide where the axle goes. Left side, right side, keep it square. Truck foundation in the air. Brown arch pieces curve around. Frosted panels coming down. Blue post stand at the rear. Red tail lights getting clear. Tan plates settle in the middle lane. Red blocks mark the service frame. White side panel, print is sweet. Chocolate drip on a city street. Roll it, sugar on wheels. Click that clutch and feel how it feels. Brown and blue with a white cream line. Donut truck looking mighty fine. Build it steady, build it bright. Jazz hands snapping on a Friday night. From the frame to the bakery ride. Eggo City, rolling with pride. Curve locks to the left and right. Wheel arches tucking nice and tight. Front bumper starts with grille detail. Little gray teeth like a chrome rail. White plates stretch across the back. Black studs mark the loading track. Every brick has a job to do. Frosted truck coming into view. Cap wall rises in bakery blue. Clear windshield waiting for the view. Side door swings with a clean little click. Line climbing brick by brick. Steering wheel set where the driver sits. Dashboard tile and tiny fits. Chef can climb and smile on cue. Donut delivery coming through. Roll it, sugar on wheels. Click that clutch and feel how it feels. Brown and blue with a white cream line. Donut truck looking mighty fine. Build it steady, build it bright. Jazz hands snapping on a Friday night. From the frame to the bakery ride. Eggo City, rolling with pride. Press on with a soft little snap. White roof drops like a chef's cap. Cab is tall and the back is sweet. Ready to cruise down the city street. Bag one done in the truck and roll. Bakery business got heart and soul. One more build waits off to the side. A donut stop for the city ride. Sugar on wheels, click that clutch and feel how it feels. Brown and blue with a white cream line. Donut truck looking mighty fine. Build it steady, build it bright. Jazz hands snapping on a Friday night. From the frame to the bakery ride. Eggo City, rolling with pride.
opens with a brand new face, uniform shirt and a badge in place. Hairpiece clicks and the towel goes high. Tiny donut dreams passing by. White base plate, blue brick wall. Counter space starts standing tall. Studs line up like a pastry tray. Donut chops coming into play. Blue walls wrapped with a clean white trim. Gray bricks make the inside slim. Clear glass panel in the frame. Display case ready for the game. Black tile counter, white cup stack. Little register tucked in back. Left wall, right wall, corners tight. Snack stand shining bright. Set the glass and raise the wall. Tiny treats for one and all. Blue and white with the sunny stripe. Donut shop looking just right. Click the plate and press the towel. Build that counter with a smile. Sprinkles, cups, and window view. Ilko City serving something new. Pink donuts line the display. Round little sweets in a perfect array. Cups stand neat in a row. Coffee ready, nice and slow. Posters hang on either side. Bakery colors, city pride. Front face dressed with printed treats. Window open to the street. Blue roof plates lock across the top. White studs make the finish pop. Orange and white awning swings like a little storefront sings. Side tiles cap the corner clean. Every seam is sharp and seen. Shop below and roof above. Built with sugar, jazz, and love. Set the glass and raise the wall. Tiny treats for one and all. Blue and white with the sunny stripe. Donut shop looking just right. Click the plate and press the towel. Build that counter with a smile. Sprinkles, cups, and window view. Ilko City serving something new. Roof plate lands, the stand is square. Now the giant donut takes the air. Pink round sign with a center hole. That's the beacon for a hungry soul. On top where the city sees. Donut sign rides the bakery breeze. Bag two done, the counter glows. Everybody knows where the coffee goes.
I opened the bags, I built the stand. Donut shop growing in my hand. Blue little walls and a counter white. Pink frosted circles looking bright. Then I built the truck with the chocolate side. Chef in the cab for a city ride. He's got the coffee, he's got the tray. Then here comes trouble walking this way. She's got the badge, she's got the grin, but I know what pulled her in. You can call it patrol, you can call it the beat. I call it donuts across the street. I'm 10 years old, but I know the deal. That donut has magnetic appeal. She can try to act cool and walk on by, but that pink frosting caught her eye. Sugar goes tiptoe left and tiptoe right. The donut wins without a fight. Coffee cup, frosting crown. No cop can turn that donut down. Fourth wall break, yes I can see. This set is messing with me. They gave me a cup and a donut store. What did they think would happen for? I just wanted snacks, I just wanted fun. Now I'm roasting the trope, one by one. Sorry officer, nothing personal today, but the pink donut made you walk this way. Chef has coffee, the shop has glaze. The rooftop donut is basically a blaze. signal in the sky but brown. Calling every patrol shift into town. No siren needed, no radio call, just frosting power overall. She says just checking, but come on please. That donut sign brought her to her knees. Do-do-do-do, sneak by the tray, act real serious, look away. But everybody knows where the powdered sugar goes. Tiptoe left and tiptoe right, the donut wins without a fight. Coffee cup, frosting crown, no cop can turn that donut down. So I built the truck and I built the shop, built the roof and the sign on top, built the window, built the tree, built the reason she patrols this street. Now the scene can slide on through. Block and crown has more to do, but we leave this sugar town. That donut took the officer down. Thanks for watching, build complete. Donut truck rolling on the beat. Like, subscribe, and come back soon. More brick built stories, more bright tunes. Back one truck and back two stand. Tiny Lego magic in my hand. Frosting up and music down. See you next time on Block and Crown.